What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be tackling a couple of things on the G35 and fixing some issues because this car is always broken.
It was made with issues off the line.
This car really doesn't have any problems. We're just putting on an exhaust gasket because it does have a leak, and we're gonna be doing two other things, very special things. One being the most special, the second best thing, because the first thing we gotta wait, and it's gonna be the main part of this video, which will probably be on the thumbnail, so it doesn't really matter. We'll show you guys a diff brace that we got for the G, even though it's not even fast.
It's from RZG. So it is a brace for your diff.
No shit, bro.
Oh, I thought it was a fucking...
If you see this, you're not gonna know what
Damn, I thought that was a handle for my toolbox. Thanks, G. This is pretty much so you don't fuck up your rear end, and it's supposed to handle a couple of Hirschpers, which he doesn't even have yet. So
more Hirschpers.
So
I don't even know what the rating is.
So
Oh, you're so slow.
850.
I teased this in the last video, and I wasn't going to talk about it, but since in here and it's pretty blatantly obvious that I have another bride seat, I got hooked up on this clean Zeta 2. I'll go more into detail in the video when I actually put it in. Pretty sick, and I even have the back protector, which are pretty rare, so I'll talk more about that stuff later. But let's get back to the lamp.
Why do you keep buying replicas?
Now to the main thing, which we're going to be doing first. It's in a huge package.
They don't understand. You guys don't understand how long I've been waiting for this.
You guys don't
I've
understand the opportunities that's going to come with this. For you guys too.
Oh yeah, you guys are gonna get a little bit of hookup too.
So before we begin, this is from LRB Speed. And if you guys know LRB Speed, you'll probably already know.
I've been waiting for so long. You didn't even get it.
We've talked about this. He's all excited.
So excited. I waited like a year for this.
These are sick, bro.
Door cards for G35 coupes, and we also have a 10% off code. Static garage, and then like a little dash LRB. But we'll post the code down below. They did sponsor us, so hopefully they do come
pretty
out
sick.
More
So
stuff.
shout out to LRB for sending us this free door card kit. Can't wait to put this on. We do have a door card or door cards on the Miata, and she customized those. These will probably be customizing. We might even paint them today. We don't know yet because it is pretty hot outside, so it should dry quick. Whenever we see her, and hopefully today or in another video, we'll show you guys. But it's pretty sick because they make so many products for pretty much every car or every popular car that people like to modify.
Miatas.
So especially Miatas. So you can literally do door car IS 300s. Chevy Camaros. Jeremiah's not here, never mind. So they do have dash deletes, they have freaking rear seat deletes, they have door cards, they have everything you pretty much need if you want to build a race car. And it's gonna be dope working with them. With a sponsor like this, we don't want to get sponsored by a company that we won't use ourselves, and it's pretty sick because these are products that we use on our cars. I don't think they sent us any stickers. I hope they do, because I'm down to put that on my toolbox as the first big sponsors of the channel. Ooh, there's hardware. I think there's a sticker on here. Yeah, there's stickers.
Oh, is there food gummies?
There's no fruit gummies, bro. Oh, I already fucked up. That's it. I'm leaving it. This is how it's gonna stay until it gets sticky. He actually opted for a speaker delete, so that's pretty cool. You don't even listen to music, huh?
I can't. It's so loud in there.
I feel like the first thing we need to do before we even put them on is if we're gonna paint these, we better go get the paint already. Or actually,
Leave it raw for now.
no, I think we should leave it raw because it matches the steering wheel.
Yeah, we'll leave
That
it raw.
sheet metal style. I feel like that looks sick.
But if we do decide to paint it, it's gonna be different.
Hey, you already did it this last Sunday, not again.
We're just gonna keep it raw for now. And if I get bored of it, or if the sun reflects and it blinds
It's not
me,
gonna blind you, dude.
if it blinds me, I'm gonna paint it. But if
Alright.
it doesn't blinds me,
It should be
hey,
fine.
LRB, respect you guys.
Martin and I do have a poll for you guys, which he's been dying to ask you. We're gonna be asking you guys on Instagram, probably on the YouTube community section, and on the video. So make sure you guys do comment with this question. Do you guys rather us save up for boost, which will probably be a couple months, or do you guys want us to wait it out until the channel gets a little bigger and just go full send on the G and just go full carbon fiber and just do a bunch of other mods to get it ready for boost? Our plans, like I said, is probably just go full carbon, which carbon doors, fenders, hood, everything you can, and wrapping it a different color. If you guys want us to do that, we will. Or if you guys want us to stop the G videos and save up for boost and give you guys some boost content, which will probably be later towards the end of the year, probably like close to the end of summer. We'll see what happens. We'll give you guys probably like a week before we decide what we're gonna do for Martin orders the first carbon fiber part.
You don't even know how many times I removed this damn door.
You know how many times you remove my doors?
Oh yeah.
So we're pretty much cutting everything out. Bro, we're finally doing the door delete you've always wanted.
It is a door delete. Actually, somebody hit me up something about a door delete the other day.
That's such an old video, bro.
3 screws for the handle, and then we just gotta disconnect the speaker.
There's one connector right here that we could probably just remove. Let me see. You tried removing it already?
Yeah, look at it.
Okay. There's one connector that goes to the light on the bottom that, yeah, Martin just deleted.
The lights never worked, probably because the light is out.
No, you don't say.
Later on, I am gonna put LEDs somewhere in the car, probably.
We could probably run
cheap.
it down along the bottom.
Yeah, but for now, it doesn't fucking matter.
I did get the fender fixed and repainted, and the mirrors are paint matched. The paint isn't exactly the same as the car, but he blended it really well. So you can still see it kind of looks off. In the camera, it actually doesn't look as bad, but you can start seeing if you turn it, this area is more of a silver than the gray. But he used the same fender and he did an amazing job. So you can literally see it looks like the accident didn't even happen. I don't mind that it's not a perfect match because I do want to repaint the car, most likely like an OEM Lexus silver like the car came with, but that's obviously when I'm done with the exterior and do everything I want to do.
So in the instructions, I did read it. I skimmed through a little bit. I didn't read it.
He did. Don't lie to me.
I only read this part. We do have to take this weather, I guess you could call it the weather stripping part.
You can't call it the weather stripping because it is the weather stripping, Martin.
Yeah, we'll call it that. So you do have to take that off so you can put it on the door card. That way when you close your door and your window's up, it doesn't like shake.
Or the water doesn't get inside. Because that's why it's called weather stripping.
Yeah,
to
but
protect you from the weather.
From the inside.
Possibilities that it could rain inside, G.
Yeah. Approximately 9 pounds total weight saving over the stock. So it's about 4.5 pounds each.
So it's about the difference between you taking a shit and you having a full stomach.
Yeah, so 9.5 pounds total, which is, it's not much, but when you add it up, it's a lot.
No, it's not, Martin.
But when you're gutted, it makes a big difference.
We're disconnecting this plastic bracket with the actual control switches to put the controls in here. Boom. So just like that. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. So it's pretty much just going to be placed in there. And then there's actually, I believe, a bracket for it to hold it in place. So window switches are still going to be available. But this...
So it is a really tight fit.
We didn't know whether we need to push it in from the back or the front, but I had to really push it in, and now it's loose. But I feel like the little brackets on this piece right here, there's 4 of them. That's what makes it hard because it's such an exact fit. So now
this will hold it in place. Look.
Yeah, we just gotta bolt it on. Door cards are installed and looking pretty good. The holes that line up with the actual door holes are pretty accurate. We did have to do some maneuver for the door handle, but it looks good. And this is slightly bent. I don't know if we can loosen it up and kind of move it a little bit. That does look pretty, dude. It legit looks like a race car.
It looks like a spaceship.
Watch, go inside. Or actually, here, close it and look at it from this side. It looks way different than this.
Oh, that's way better. Yeah,
all the race cars. Hey, you good, Martin?
You took a shit, it's so bad.
Now that both sides are on, look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Ooh. Ooh.
Behind the scenes, I kind of don't like the black clips, just because I want it to like kind of be like silver or whatever. So later on, I am gonna put just.
Maybe you could do like color for
screws.
washers.
I already put some on that
Washers.
side. I already put 2 screws on that side just to see if I like it. I like better with the screws instead of the little clips. So much better in here.
Okay. Let's see how difficult this is gonna be. I believe this is where it's gonna go. So you're actually gonna have to take off 2 bolts holding the diff case, which, hoping it doesn't leak, we should probably put something under just in case. And then that hole right there that's connected to the subframe, or on the subframe, that's where you're gonna be bolting on the top. And it actually comes with a bolt and a nut for you.
That one's gonna be harder.
It's not that bad. Okay, let's see, where's the brace? So the brace should be like this. Oh, got him.
My exhaust.
Got him. Oh shit, your exhaust is done for, G. We're gonna have to get rid of it. Race car, look. Look.
That's it, I'm going single exit.
Okay, so you tell me the truth right now, Eden.
What?
What should we do?
Should cut a hole in the exhaust.
That's what I'm thinking. Then just re-weld it with part of the diff brace on the exhaust.
Exactly. So if
Which
you
actually, like, it's like a hanger. It actually secures it.
Works.
Yeah. Right?
Launch it, you're gonna break
Martin,
the car.
listen to me. Hey,
You're
hey,
resting your
look at
head
me.
on it.
Look at me. Hey. You're misbehaving.
The diff brace didn't work. We're gonna have to wait till we do a single exit. But at least we get to show you guys, you know, how you do it, and it's pretty simple. Was there anything on the website saying not to do it on dual exit? Or was it more common sense?
Check right now.
We were planning on going single exit for a while, especially because Martin saw my sexy ass exhaust video up there. He's all hyped and he wants to do a single, so we'll probably do a single with a couple of mufflers and resonators just so it's not too loud and actually do it right. This exhaust is vibrating like crazy anyways, so it's about time that we take off the right chunk and put the left chunk and just have one giant ass fart cannon sticking out. I'm forever gonna keep my first doodles that I made on an exhaust pipe. I don't even know if I recorded this, but I was messing around with Danny's welder because it was my first time, and he was like, dude, just get the hang of it. He told me to try to burn a hole through the exhaust, but I got too scared. But it's a pretty big hole. Another thing that's coming very soon, which will probably be the video right after this one, is the brake calipers that I'm putting on the IS. The only thing I've been waiting for is the adapters. Those just came back in stock today. I did put in the order, so hopefully around next week I should get them in. And next Sunday is when we'll be doing a video of them anyways. Again, shout out to our sponsors, LRB Speeds. Make sure to hit them up. Make sure to use our discount code for 10% off those sick ass door cards and any other products that they sell, unless it's on sale. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.